As the sun begins to set over Deira, the vibrant heart of Dubai, the streets come alive with a symphony of sights and sounds. Strolling through the bustling souks, the air is filled with the enticing aromas of spices and the sweet scent of dates. Each stall tells a story, from the intricate gold jewelry glimmering in the evening light to the colorful textiles that beckon you to touch and feel. Wandering along the Dubai Creek, you can catch glimpses of traditional dhows gliding gracefully across the water, a reminder of the city's rich maritime heritage. The warm glow of lanterns illuminates the pathways, inviting you to explore hidden gems and local eateries where you can savor authentic Emirati dishes. Don't miss the chance to haggle for unique souvenirs, or simply enjoy the friendly banter with local vendors. As night falls, the vibrant energy of Deira transforms, with street performers and musicians adding to the lively atmosphere. Each step reveals a new adventure, making Deira not just a destination, but an unforgettable experience that captures the essence of Dubai.